good people? It's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about the two biggest mistakes I see a lot of people make when they're applying for credit cards. So there are so many different credit cards out there, you guys. I want to tell you like the biggest mistakes that people are actually making. Now, if you guys want to make your personalized video, definitely let me know. Go ahead and put it down in the comments. Say if you want me to review your credit card, or say if you have a question, go ahead and put it down in the comment and I'll be sure to answer it for you. Now, usually when people are actually building their credit and they they find out that they need to get more credit cards, because I usually tell people to make sure that you guys have at least 4 credit cards reported onto your credit reports. A lot of times people just apply for just any credit cards. They just want to get a credit card. They don't care. They may get some offers in the mail. They go ahead and apply for those credit cards. That's not a good idea unless you understand what you are applying for. So one of the biggest mistakes I see that people are making is they're getting credit cards and they're not looking at any fees that's attached to these credit cards. So let's look here. This is the Capital One website. So with Capital One, their easiest credit cards that they have, it has a $39 annual fee. So I would tell people, if you don't want to have an annual fee, apply for credit cards that do not have an annual fee, like the Platinum one. And if you guys have, I'll say if your credit score is over a 580, then you shouldn't have to apply for any credit card that has an annual fee, because every year you'll have to pay that fee. But if we think that $39 is a lot of money to pay an annual fee, let's just imagine some of the credit cards like this Surge credit card. And don't forget, you guys can a lot of times see these fees online before you apply for them. So look right here, the online cardholder agreement. Let's click there. So if you look here on this credit card, let's see how much their annual fee is going to be. So their annual fee is $125 for the first year, and then after that, they're going to charge you $96 annually. That's $100 a year, basically. That's a lot of money. I don't want you guys paying that much in annual fees. Because if you guys are going to pay that much in annual fees, then you guys might as well just get a secure credit card that's going to graduate. Like I tell you guys all the time about like Navy Federal Credit Union, they have a secure credit card that's going to graduate. That means that if you put $200 down, it's going to turn into a regular credit card in so many months. And with Navy Fed, it turns into a regular credit card in 6 months. So $200 will be your best bet instead of putting $125 down in a credit card. And a lot of people are like, well, I don't have to pay that fee right now. You don't have to pay it right now, but they're taking it out of your credit limit. So you're going to start off with a $500 credit limit, but as soon as they take that $125 off of your credit card, you're going to be all the way automatically down to a $375 credit card. And then if you ask to get an additional card, it's going to be $345 you're going to start with. They're going to take this money basically right out of your credit card limit. So you guys want to check for these annual fees. It's like really huge that you want to check for these. Now, we also have the Aspire credit card, you all. And let's see if I can get their cardholder agreement so we can see their fees, because that's the biggest thing. You all want to check the fees, especially if you're looking at building your credit. You want to make sure you have 4 credit cards, but you want to make sure that you do not pay a lot of money in fees. So this right here, you guys, their annual fee is here. So their annual fee will be between $49 up to $175, and then after that you're going to pay $0 up to $49 annually. Now, I like the point that you can possibly get your annual fee lowered the following year. But look at this, you guys. You guys have account maintenance. That means they're going to bill you between $60 to $159 annually. Every year they're billing you, but they're not going to charge you by the year. They're going to charge you every month. So, and this is going to be after your first year. So you think, oh, I'm going to get a discount, right? And you think, okay, I'm going to be at $0 annually, but no, you have to pay that maintenance fee, which is going to be $5 per month, all the way up to $12.50 per month. So that's basically you just keeping whatever your annual fee was, if you ask me. But still, this is a huge mistake I see a lot of people make. And these credit cards are usually credit cards you're going to get in the mail. There's going to be offers in the mail. And I just want you guys to definitely be aware of these credit cards. Now, another mistake I see people make is they just apply for credit cards all over the place. They're not trying to get any specific credit card. They're not trying to find out which credit bureau the credit card is going to pull from. They're just applying for so many different credit cards. But I want you to understand this. If you apply for a credit card, you're going to get a hard inquiry. And when you get a hard inquiry, most likely it's going to drop your credit score. You're going to see 1 point, 2 points, 10 points. You're going to see something come off of your credit score. You're gonna see your credit score is lower by some amount, but we don't know the definite amount. But every time you apply for a credit card, you keep getting these hard inquiries, which is lowering your credit score. Now, some companies do not like so many hard inquiries. So say if you want to get like a Discover credit card, Discover sometimes they do not like a lot of hard inquiries. They definitely don't like negative things on your credit, but hard inquiries is something that they just do not like. Navy Federal Credit Union, they do not like a lot of hard inquiries also. And this is that secure credit card I was telling you guys about. But they're going to probably only offer you a secure credit card if you have too many hard inquiries. So you want to make sure that you're not getting too many hard inquiries. You want to find out which credit cards you guys can apply for, and you want to know which credit bureau they're going to pull and what credit score they're going to probably require. So these are actually credit cards that I have from a previous video that I made, you all. But these are like those easy credit cards that people can apply for. And a lot of these credit cards can actually pre-qualify you and pre-approve you for a credit card. Like Discover, you guys can click right here and get pre-qualified. That means you guys are not going to get a hard inquiry unless you accept the credit card. You guys also have Capital One. They can pre-qualify you for a credit card. You guys have the Mission Lane. You guys can see if you can get approved without a hard inquiry. You guys have Navy Federal Credit Union. They can pre-qualify you out without a hard inquiry. The Aspire credit card, I told you guys about this, but they have horrible fees. But still, they can pre-qualify you for a credit card without a hard inquiry. We have Indigo credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And Surge also, I believe they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but you want to make sure you check. You want to make sure you check with all three. You want to make sure you check all three credit bureaus to see what your credit scores are, and then maybe you want to just pull credit. You want to get credit cards that's going to pull the credit bureau that has the highest credit score and a lot of the negative accounts removed and not on your credit reports. And I do have those videos, so I'm going to make sure I add those videos. So we have TransUnion here. Check this pop out. This you see like the pop up at the top. Check this video out. You have the TransUnion, you have the Equifax, and you have Experian. Now, all three of these videos, I want you to look at your credit report, see which one has the highest credit score. The highest credit score is basically mean you're going to have a greater chance of getting approved. And you also want to check and see which account has like least negative accounts, and then you want to apply for credit cards that basically is going to pull that credit report. And those are the videos that you guys can check out. Now, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Hopefully this video was very helpful to you all. But if you want me to make a personalized video, definitely let me know. Go ahead and leave it down in the comments, and I look forward to making that video for you guys. And don't forget, if you have a hard time getting approved for credit cards, apply for my exclusive credit membership. And that's where people are getting like those negative accounts removed from their credit reports. They're seeing their credit scores go up. You guys can learn so many things by being a part of my exclusive credit membership. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.